Hello everyone, welcome to the intraday video for Bitcoin price predictions. This intraday video is specialized for the 1 hour chart and 15-minute chart, possibly of course if we need to check. What I want to mention today is that of course we are weekend, so I hope that you are enjoying your weekend as well. Since we are weekend, of course we're gonna range very slow, right? Which can be kind of like a bad time to get our wave 5 finished, right? Therefore, because of the weekend range, it means we might see a little bit longer longer wave here as wave 4, possibly even deeper wave 4. Nobody knows. However, let's talk about the scenarios, what it could happen. So today we saw in the deep analysis that the first bullish scenario that we have in our pocket here is the wave C as a zigzag, okay? And we want to check each scenario one by one. So our first possible scenarios now is the wave C as a zigzag. Now to finish this wave C in a zigzag, as I mentioned before, if we want to take, of course, the fib levels of this wave 1, considering this is a wave 1, okay, and let's say this is an impulse, right? Look where the wave 3 should end it, okay? It's gonna pass already the wave C for a zigzag, and of course, don't forget the 4-5 after it. So your wave C will be very extended here, so which kind of like a little bit not possible to look at an impulse right now, okay? Because possibly we are looking to a diagonal, right? Finishing this wave C of a zigzag, okay? And in that case, if we are diagonal, we might see a lower price again and then move up one more final wave towards the upside for a wave 5. So this is of course a possibility, because anyway, if we are here looking for 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, your wave 5 even, it could be ended and not, because if we look inside this wave 5, your wave 4 is very fast in time. If that is your wave 4, it's very small in time, and normally wave 4 tend to be double time wave 2, okay? So therefore, this is definitely an ABC. Now, if it's gonna be considered as one wave, also that is very possible, like A, B, and a C as well. So this scenario of downtrend here a little bit works for both scenarios, diagonal and as an impulse. By all means, if we see here one leg towards the downside, it's going to be considered, of course, A, B, and a C. In that case, you will form a diagonal like this, where you have zigzag, yes, and then zigzag, another zigzag for wave 3, and another zigzag for wave 4, and another zigzag for wave 5. In that case, of course, we can possibly reach maybe the wave 5. Finishing this zigzag, and it is preferable, of course, to touch the wave C zigzag and to be higher than this high here. Why I'm saying this? To keep the scenario open for higher prices, because if we get, of course, a retracement from here and even we go lower without getting the high here, that brings us again to a bearish scenario, okay? Of course, we don't want to see lower prices going lower from now, because that brings us to a bearish scenario and possibly to 3 waves towards the upside, right? And that is not good in terms of bullish scenarios. Therefore, possibly, of course, we see a little bit lower prices and then we move up. Finishing this scenario here was 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as diagonal. If not, is gonna be finished, of course, as an impulse. However, if finished as an impulse, your wave 5 cannot be extended, yeah, because your wave 3 is very short and shorter than your wave 1. And in that case, of course, we want to see a diagonal. When you see shorter wave 3 than the 1, most possibly that you are looking to a diagonal. And your wave 5 can overshoot sometimes. Of course, it's not necessarily to be very, very shorter. So therefore, once we finish this, of course, we want to see some retracement. Now, this retracement depends. Is it 3 waves or is it 5 waves? Okay. If 5 waves, then that's not good for bullish scenarios. If it is only 3 waves, then we start to see higher prices. Then, of course, we are targeting then something higher. Okay. So that's it. Actually, for the intraday today, I didn't cover it in the deep analysis because I knew that I'm gonna cover it, of course, in the intraday anyway, and it's gonna be very slow today. There is nothing really, some action to see. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to support me with a like and subscribe for the channel if you didn't yet. Thank you for watching. Have a nice week and enjoy your time. Bye bye.